Eminent Medical Center is revolutionizing joint surgery with Mako SmartRobotics for medical professionals. Welcome to a new era of precision in joint surgery, tailored for medical professionals seeking groundbreaking solutions. Eminent Medical Center proudly presents Mako SmartRobotics joint procedures, designed to elevate the standards of care you provide to your patients. As a medical professional, you understand the complexity of hip and knee joint issues. Mako SmartRobotics is transforming the landscape. Our procedures utilize 3D CT-based planning, allowing surgeons to meticulously design personalized joint replacements, ensuring optimal outcomes for patients. The Mako Advantage guides surgical precision with cutting-edge technology. Skilled surgeons harness Mako's robotic arm, backed by AccuStop technology for pinpoint accuracy. This results in reduced tissue trauma and preservation of healthy bone. Mako isn't just a tool, it's a paradigm shift in joint surgery, delivering natural motion and enhanced recovery. Eminent Medical Center invites you to join the evolution of joint care and explore the world of joint surgery excellence. Patients experience less pain, swifter recovery, and improved patient satisfaction with Mako SmartRobotics. Embark on a journey that redefines joint surgery standards. Your patients deserve the best, and Mako empowers you to deliver just that.